My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory, but I haven't made a video in 4 days, and I'll explain why. So I want you to know I am not giving up. This is my dream, and I want it bad, but I had something really important to do. The easiest thing is to just call it a family reunion. On my wife's side of the family, pretty much every family member was getting together in Michigan, and we had to be there. This doesn't happen often. Allegedly, last time it happened was about 20 years ago, so we had to be there. I don't know if we'll be able to see some of these people again. I really hope we can, but right now, I couldn't do it. So it was really good to be able to go and see people. I hope, crossing my fingers, that I can make things happen again, see a lot of those people, but I don't know. I'm gonna try really hard on this channel, and hopefully that will give me the ability to see some of these family members. But it was good to get out there and see them. And that's kind of why I missed videos. I pre-planned and I tried to make as many as I could before I left. So I was able to stretch it out till Friday. I actually left on Wednesday. So I had 3 days ahead of time planned. And then I had hoped to just make some videos while I was there, but I didn't realize it's literally in the middle of nowhere. There's no cell service or anything. So even driving 30 minutes away, I had no cell service. I could not upload a video. There was just nothing I could really do at that point. I didn't have any other options. So I missed a couple days. I hope you guys forgive me. I'm still working really hard to get my dream. So this is basically our family truckster. This thing drove 1,500 miles, which is awesome. We didn't have any hiccups or anything. I specifically chose this car when our other one died because I knew this would last. It's got the Honda K series, and it's a great car. It needs struts and springs really bad, and it needs front rotors, but other than that, awesome car, and it did great. I'm really proud of it. So the video I released yesterday, I filmed on the property. There was a bunch of woods, and there was also a lake it was a small lake, maybe a couple of houses on it, so it was pretty much all to ourselves. We swam in there, had a ton of fun. My kid actually learned to swim in there, which was really cool, and we just made a lot of memories like that. I thought it was really cool. They cooked for a whole bunch of people. I think there was like 100 people there, or maybe 200. A ton of people came the one day, and they had this barbecue that they made out of a bed frame, which I think is perfect because I talk about those all the time. You can get them for cheap, and you can build all sorts of stuff with it. As you can see here, that's the wheel. And then if we look a little bit closer down here, this is actually where you can adjust the bed frame from like a twin to a queen to a king. So really cool to see that there. They used it to cook chicken. So they put coals under there, and they had a rake, like a lawn rake, a hard rake, that they would rake the coals. They'd throw some more in, rake them in, and they had chicken on top of there. And let me tell you, that chicken was delicious. I don't know if it was the bed frame or what, but that chicken was fantastic. So I'm pretty sure after I show you guys all that stuff, you can understand why I missed a couple videos. It's not that I'm lazy. It's not that I don't want to do this. I had something really important to do, and I couldn't upload videos. I was gonna actually put out videos. I couldn't upload them. So please forgive me. I know you will. I've been doing a lot of DIY videos and review kind of videos. Those kind of things get a lot of clicks and possible return views. So that's kind of why I've been doing them. I don't really like doing those things, to be perfectly honest with you. I just can't afford to build things like I want to. I want to build the V8 go-kart, but I can't. I don't have the money to do it. I have the engine built. I have a go-kart. I have some metal, but I need a little more metal. I need a little more, I need welding gas. I need some kind of transmission situation. So I'm close, but I don't quite have everything there. I really want to build that. I think it would be cool. I want to build stuff ultimately, but I'm going to try some other videos besides just DIY stuff. But that's why I'm doing the DIY. I want to grow the channel. I want to get more views. I need more watch hours to get monetized. I have the subscribers. I just don't have the watch hours. And being monetized will help out. Even if I get 10, 20 bucks a month to start, it's going to help grow the channel. I'm going to be able to reinvest it in the channel somehow. And it's just going to help out. So I don't have a lot of money to throw around. I'm not rich or anything like that. I'm just the average Joe, or maybe even less than the average Joe. I'm just trying to make stuff happen. I want to be a creator, and I'm going to be a creator because I'm motivated to be a creator. So keep that in mind. I also want to clarify, the reason I'm meeting Cleetus is I want to grow the channel. It's not necessarily that I want to just meet Cleetus. He's cool, but the ultimate goal is grow the channel. He's a pillar in the car community. I think if I meet him, that'll get me views, and then all these other people he collaborates with that I could possibly collaborate with. So that's kind of my goal. It's a strategic kind of thing, why I want to meet Cleetus. So that's the whole reason behind it. Sure, I could buy a ticket and just go there, but it's not the same thing. I want to physically be invited by him. Really, my ultimate goal would be build the V8 go-kart, go there to the burnout pad and do sick burnouts and donuts with the V8 go-kart. That's my goal. That's really what I want to do. So I'm trying to get there. Check out my video on why I want to meet Cleetus. I pretty much explained it, but I have a little video here that explains it a little more. And I'm making a video every day because, like I said, I want to go there. I want to rip sick burnouts of the V8 go-kart. So if you guys support that, like, comment, subscribe. Every video, I'll do whatever I can to shout you out and show my appreciation. But I need help to get monetized, so that's where you guys come in. And I'm going to make a video every single day until that happens. So I will see you guys here tomorrow.